Hello and welcome to this Java video tutorial where we're going to be looking at code structure. So let's jump right in. So, as mentioned in the previous video, the goal of Java is to write one application, and then that one application will work on whatever device your friends have, or you have, or your customers have. This is getting limited with the evolution of technology, obviously, the exponential growth of different devices, different hardware, but Java programs work on OS X, Linux, and Windows. So we will write the source code, compile it, run the compiled bytecode on a JVM, which is the Java Virtual Machine, which is really important, so I thought I'd mention that just one more time. We got this code structure going on here, which is basically we have our source file, which could be myprogram.java, and then we have a class file, whatever that may be. Then we have our methods inside our class. The class file could be something like, I don't know, carl.java. All depends, depending on your source file extensions, your class file extensions. I believe they are probably limited to .java, but you know, in today's world, you could probably change it to whatever you'd like and create a program to run that extension. Nevertheless, we have a class in a source file, methods in a class, statements in a method. So we're going to be looking at more of this, so if it does get a bit confusing, don't worry. A source file.java holds a class definition, so like public class dog, and then we could create an object with different dogs. So class file represents a piece of your program. You could have many class files, so you could have dogs, cats, so dog.java, cat.java. You could go crazy with it basically. Class must go within a pair of curly braces, and let's go next. What goes inside a class? Well, a class will have one or more methods. Methods being like, we have here void, which returns nothing basically, so we could just do bark, do a, write to the console like a dog barking or something trivial like that. This class will hold instructions within the bark and how the dog will bark, as it mentions here. Methods must always go inside a class, inside the curly braces. Let's look at a method. So inside the method, we have basically instructions on how to write, say, to the console or whatever it may be. We could maybe play sounds for the bark. Or basically inside a method, we can do anything. Think of a method as controlling that particular, statements are controlling that particular method. So method code is just basically a set of statements, instructions. Hopefully that makes sense. Very simple stuff. We're going to look at all of this more in detail. So we're going to look at source files. We're going to look at classes. We're going to look at methods. We're going to look at statements. This is just a general visual explanation as to how these put together. So like here we have public class dog, then inside dog we have bark, and then inside bark we have our statements as to what we want to give to this particular method, what instructions we want to tell this method to do. So yeah, that's how code structure in Java works. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, like, I am free to answer any questions all the time and I will reply. So please, if you are struggling, drop me a comment in this particular video below, or just tweet me because I'm always on Twitter. I'll always see your questions, and I want to thank you for watching these videos. If they were helpful, please remember to subscribe for more videos of this particular nature. And yeah, thanks once again, and peace.